Hey guys, long time no see. It has been quite a while since I have filmed anything. My life is chaos. So I'm now a homeschooling mother. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have severe chronic illness issues, so I am always managing that. I can go over my protocol in a video if you want that I'm doing right now to try and help. It's helping a little. I can go into that in another video. Let's see. I have 3 children, and I have a husband who is an electrical and computer engineer. He does programming for a local company, and he works 1 billion hours. And I'm very grateful he has a job. I'm not trying to like shame him or anything. He does a lot for this family. He's doing everything that he can, but it'd be really nice to have a husband that would come home on time, So there's 2 sides to every coin. And this is my life. It's a hot mess right now. It's a hot mess. I have bribed the 2 older kids to watch Little Esther for 15 minutes each, and I'm paying them each $1. And they're really great with her. They're safe. It's wonderful. They're in one of their rooms right now watching her. They love her to pieces. But with a 1-year-old, a 9-year-old, and a 6-year-old, full-time, home all the time, it's just chaos. And I just realized today, I was thinking, I turned 40 in a year and a half. 40. So I'm 1 year postpartum. My daughter's like 14 months. My skin is a mess. I have gained a lot of weight. I'm actively trying to lose weight. I can go into that in my chronic illness video. But this video is more like a, where have you been? Everywhere but on YouTube. Everywhere but on YouTube. Everywhere, all over the place, living my life, focusing on feeding my children and loving my children and just getting through the day. I have debilitating pregnancies. I'm sick almost the entire time, and my chronic illness seems to be worse when I'm pregnant. I know a lot of people get better. Mine's way worse. And then you have a baby and you have the whole newborn phase, which for me, it gets better around 9 months, and then it gets better again at 1 year, and then again at 2 years. So I'm at the year point, and Esther didn't sleep. The last 2 nights, 2 nights ago, she woke up 8 times, so like every hour. And then last night, she woke up 6 times, so still about every hour, hour and a half. It's awful. I don't know how I'm alive. I had 2 chai lattes this morning. I guess it wasn't a chai latte, it was chai tea. No latte, because there was no caffeine in it. I mean, there wasn't any espresso in it, so I guess a chai latte has espresso in it. So yeah, that's my life right now. I love it to pieces. I'm trying to manage it. I'm trying to get through what I can and do what I can and homeschool my children and make a life that I love. And I want to be here on YouTube. One of my kids is screaming or singing. I think it's singing. I had to focus. It's singing, and it was my oldest. I have goals. I have ideas about things I want to do here. I would love to finish the paper Sloyd that I started. I would love to do crochet videos, but if anyone's seen that article that New York Times put out about Ballerina Farm, who I definitely do not relate to because I can't do half the things she does. And I know she's rich too, but I don't think they were genuine in that article, and here's why. Every single parent, every mom sacrifices something for their children. And I sacrifice a lot for my chronic illness too, because I have very limited energy and very poor health. Every single parent sacrifices for their kids, and it's going to be different based on your choices. Also, you sacrifice things for your spouse too when you get married. This is not oh, we're married, I'm still the same person that I am. And I think that's what the article is missing. Because I had dreams and aspirations before I got married, and I changed. Things shifted and focused when I got married, and also when I have kids. And now not even 1 kid, like 1 kid is very different than 3, and I'm sure that 3 kids are very different than 5 in pros and cons in different ways. They're screaming again. I don't know if you can hear that. Hopefully everything's okay. I'm I'm sure everything's fine. They would come out and talk to me. My oldest is 9. He's very responsible. So YouTube, my channel, is one of those things that I just can't focus on. I can't, I don't have the brain space to be like consistently making videos because my brain is a hot mess with no sleep and chronic illness and tired and drained and all of the above. So I'm hungry. I have soup over there. I need to eat my soup. So all of that to say, that's where I've been. That's what I'm dealing with. I don't know what you can expect from this channel, but I would like to come back to YouTube one day if I'm allowed. And I started making videos here around when I was 26 or 27. And so maybe it was 30, but now I am 38. So it's just crazy. Time flies. And who knows if I'll have other babies. I don't know what the universe holds for me. I am married, so, you know, it could happen. And I love my life. I really do. Even with the sacrifices that I have made for my kids and for our family. It's not like for my kids. It's like for our family because I chose to be a mom. I'm a mom now and I want to do the best job that I can. So, you know, some things have to be set aside for a season. And honestly, I get comments all the time like, you should make videos again. Have you guys seen my videos? They're very low quality. They're awful. I mean, I think I was probably one of the first knitter and crocheters on YouTube who tried making content, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm like Jenna Marbles when she first started. I had like a potato as a camera. So I do like my videos and I like them, but I mean, I would not call them works of art or very good. I hopefully I will improve. I will get better. Things will get better. Life is gonna go on. But really, guys, I know they're not the best, and I am not here to make money. I don't have the time and energy to make this into a job, to hire people and make it perfection. A lot of YouTubers do this as a job, and you can tell because the quality of their videos is amazing. Crisp, clear, perfectly edited and everything, and I don't have the time nor even the interest in doing that. I'm just here to share my life. Maybe one day one of my great grandchildren will watch this and be like, that's kind of weird. I don't know. But I'm an extrovert. I love sharing. I love talking and making videos, and I don't know why. I really enjoy it, and I hope to get back to it. So this is a slight update, and maybe there'll be more.